it's Jamie from Shanti with a quick tip for you on working with our Empower Master Essence. So Empower is our best-selling all-in-one blend to cleanse, protect, and strengthen, and otherwise empower you towards your highest potential. I would recommend pairing this essence with some white light. This is a very strong formula. It's all about inspiring breakthrough. There is white light, frequencies of white light as part of this blend, but if you feel like you want something just a little softer, pairing it with white light can be very helpful. Anything from dating to job interviews to when you need to perform or you need to feel the fear and do it anyway, right? In life, we don't always get the option, choice to opt out. Sometimes you have to just do it or move through something. So this helps create the safety and protection for that.